Home centers face potential liability when providing electrical work advice to customers lacking expertise. Electrical work demands specialized training, licensing, and code adherence. Home centers cannot perform electrical work or offer services compromising safety. DIY advice from home centers is limited and not a substitute for qualified electricians. Their expertise and safety checks are not comparable. Legally, home centers must ensure product and service safety, including accurate electrical advice. If a customer experiences an electrical accident following their advice, the home center may be liable for medical expenses, property damage, and pain and suffering. Home centers can reduce liability by clarifying they only provide DIY advice, emphasizing electrician consultation for complex projects, providing accurate instructions, discouraging unsafe practices, and offering workshops led by experienced electricians emphasizing safety precautions. It is crucial to remember that home centers are not qualified to replace a professional electrician for electrical work. Consumers should carefully consider the limitations of DIY advice and always prioritize safety by consulting an electrician for major electrical work. Home centers must proactively reduce their liability and ensure customer safety.